All right, let's talk about the website Rankability. Let's go into some pros, cons, an overview of it, and then I'm going to give you an alternative that's even better. So Rankability is a website for agencies, for SEO agencies, to track and improve client visibility across Google, ChatGPT, and local using a platform that they built. So basically, you can track all of your content and your pages to make sure you're showing up. Obviously, AI overviews, LLM citations, that is capturing a lot of traffic now. So everyone is scrambling, trying to figure out, how do I get seen more on AI overviews? How do I get featured in LLM citations so I can capture that traffic and not get filtered out of search? Super, super important to continuing to get traffic, continuing to rank. So this website is built for that purpose. And if you just kind of scroll through here, you can track AI search visibility. They give you a score, how you're ranking in competitors, and a breakdown. As far as your content, it talks about how it gives you a score for crawling, indexing, on-page structure, content, UX performance, trust, authority, page quality score, and then agentic search readiness. And then basically it has all this in easy to understand reporting. But there are, of course, some pros and some cons, which we're going to talk about. So let's go over the pros first with this platform. So first and foremost, it's agency first pricing. So there's unlimited clients that you can have and unlimited users in every tier. So no per seat fees. So big teams aren't penalized. So this is good if you have a lot of clients. Number two is true all-in-one tracking, keyword research, optimization, audits, backlinks, and client reporting in one workspace. So you can basically see all that reporting in one place and not have to kind of scramble around and try to find it. Strong content optimization score. So it's graded out of 100 across structure, content, trust, authority, agentic search readiness. Reviewers prefer it to Surfer and SEMrush as far as how it's laid out. Multi-platform AI visibility tracking, so you can track ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, Grok, and local map results. So pretty much everything across the spectrum you can track to make sure you're visible on all of those platforms. And then client-ready reporting, so you can have an plus academy and certification. So basically they layer in trainings and certifications along with the reporting, so that you get additional training on how to rank better, how to search better. So that's kind of built into the platform. As far as cons go, there are just as many. So it's an optimizer, not a publisher. So you still need to drive the writing and publishing loop by hand. So it doesn't publish SEO optimized content for you. It doesn't write pages for you. That's still something that you have to take care of. Pricier entry, so the cheapest plan is $99 a month. Shared credit pool, so tracking, research, content audits, and advisor all draw from the same credits. So if you're basically using this a lot and you have a lot of different clients, it's all pulling from the same credit count. So you could run out of credits pretty quickly. That's kind of the caveat to allowing as many users and clients as possible. It's all pulling from the same credits. No end-to-end automation. So there's nothing as far as like automation to do keywords, keyword research, create content, publish content. So there's no automations built in like that. No CMS auto publishing. So you can't like automatically create content and publish it like we talked about. So overall, this is a decent analytics tool. But it's lacking as far as actually being able to implement what it's telling you. Whereas this tool, Arvow, I think is superior if it's what you're trying to ultimately do in terms of get more visibility, be able to track that visibility, and also be able to impact the traffic and visibility with your content. So this is the all-in-one SEO tool that I use for myself and my clients. And there's a lot of stuff built in here. First and foremost, the main asset that this has is an Autoblog. So you can have it generate amazing SEO articles for your brand, including your brand assets that will get you featured on LLMs, that will get you traffic, that will get you ranked, because it's designed in a way and structured in a way to be able to do that. So you can go in here, you can create articles based on a keyword, you can create a title if you want. You can create news articles to capitalize on trends. So you select a keyword and you can generate articles based on a specific keyword. You can generate articles from a YouTube channel, your own or someone else's, and capitalize on them. The nice thing is that when you're ready to create articles, you can go in here and set up a template in a way that is designed to your brands and including your assets. So you can choose the language. You can use your own knowledge base, which means you can connect it to your own website or training materials or whatever. So it's going to use that information when it's generating the articles, and also pull out outside information as well. You can format it, structure. You can add a call to action with your specific website, you know, book now, buy now. Internal linking. This is where it's really powerful. You can add your sitemap. So when it creates articles, it's going to link to your other site pages, thus getting that link juice throughout your website, throughout your blog posts. It'll external link to trusted sources if you want. You can include your own images, or it'll generate images. You can include your own YouTube channel, or it'll put a relevant YouTube channel in there. So when it creates articles, you can kind of go in here and see there's a bunch of different examples in here. So here's one that we created from a YouTube video. It embeds the YouTube video and then basically writes an article from the YouTube video. So you can basically capitalize on viral YouTube videos that aren't even your own if you want. There's one. So here's one on like brake repair. Again, you can open this up and see the internal SEO structure and bells and whistles. So H2s, H3s, alt text, images, internal links, embedded YouTube. So the structure and everything is what is so powerful about this. So you can create amazing bottom of the funnel SEO optimized articles, which are really, really cool. You can also set this up on an Autoblog, so it'll publish all articles for you automatically on the fly. So basically how that works is you generate a feed. So you can create a keyword feed to pull content from, a news feed, an RSS feed, or a YouTube channel. So you connect the feed to the Autoblog, and then basically it will pull that feed, generate the article, and then publish the article to your website. So you can integrate with any website, which is really, really nice. It's very easy to do. So if you go to integrations, you can integrate with any website out there. You can also use their API, like you can connect their API to Claude to do keyword research, to do competitor analysis, and then generate articles from Claude, sending it to Arvow, and then sending it to your website. That's a really cool automation. I've talked about that in the past. I'm not going to go into that today, but it's really cool. The other thing is, here's all the other bells and whistles. It has a site optimizer, so you can analyze your site and it'll tell you exactly what you have to improve. So meta titles, improving or missing, meta descriptions, chronological URLs, image alt text, internal links, FAQ schema. So you can go through all these, and basically it'll have what you have and then the suggested improvement, and it'll tell you why. And then you can click individually to apply these, or I could just click them all and apply all of the changes, which is really, really cool. So literally in one click, you could apply all these changes and improve your website. Automatic backlinks. This is really, really cool. So you can submit your website to this and get backlinks automatically. So basically you're entered in a pool. All the other thousands of users are entered in a pool here. Basically when you create content, it looks at the pool of users, pulls out relevant links, and then embeds them in your content as backlinks. And vice versa. When they do that, when they create articles, it's going to look and pull your links and embed them in there. So most users are getting a couple of backlinks per day. Very easy to do, high quality, high DR backlinks. Really, really cool. LLM brand monitor. So this is where you can monitor your performance across AIs. So this is like an example for SEMrush, but you submit your URL and then it'll automatically give you prompts. And then you can create your own prompts. So you can enter as many prompts as you want in here to track, which is really cool. And then you can see the visibility, the sentiment, positive or negative, and track your performance across LLMs. And if you click into these, you can see ChatGPT, Claude, like how you're performing across all the LLMs. Very easy to understand, very easy to implement. Site Explorer. So this is, you can analyze, this is kind of like Ahrefs. You can analyze any domain here, see the performance as far as traffic, see the top ranking pages, page performance. So this is really helpful for yourself and competition as well. So that's it, guys. That's the overview of Arvow, especially compared to Rankability. You can see that in a lot of ways this is definitely superior, and there's a lot of all-in-one functionality, so you don't need to go different places. Everything is built in here from an SEO standpoint. So hopefully that helps you out. If you're looking into either of those tools, there is information below for Arvow. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you. Check out this other video on SEO. Have an amazing rest of your day.